Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a line break. You can use line break in Google Sheets mobile version. All you have to do now is click or tap on your projects, and this is for example. So you can add line break by tap on the text on the cell here. You can double tap and insert line break here. As you can see, this is the line break I told you, and tap again. You can double tap and insert more line break here. So this is how we do it. To insert line break, you can double tap after the word. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.